Welcome back to the Auto World, where we bring you the toughest, most advanced machines ever built. Today, we're looking at a military legend reborn, the all-new 2025 Depot Hack. A vehicle inspired by history but built for the modern battlefield, this transport is designed to handle any mission, anytime, anywhere. The original Depot Hack was a simple but effective military transport, used to move soldiers, officers, and cargo between rail depots and bases. Over time, it evolved into the rugged military trucks we know today. But in 2025, this icon is making a comeback, engineered for a new era of combat and mobility. This beast is powered by a twin-turbo diesel V8, pushing out 500 horsepower and 1,200 Newton-meters of torque, built to tow over 10,000 pounds and transport a full squad of 12 fully equipped soldiers. For those looking for a more advanced option, there's also a fully electric version, featuring a solid-state battery with a 600-mile range, giving military forces extended endurance with near-silent operation. Inside, the Depot Hack is a battlefield command center. A 12-inch tactical touchscreen, secure military communications, and drone control integration provide real-time mission coordination. The Kevlar-reinforced seats, bulletproof windows, and EMP-resistant electrical system ensure maximum survivability, no matter the threat. This machine is built for the toughest environments. Its adaptive suspension system and next-gen 4x4 drivetrain allow it to climb 60-degree slopes, wade through 3 feet of water, and operate in temperatures ranging from -40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether it's a desert deployment or an Arctic operation, the Depot Hack never backs down. For covert missions, this vehicle features infrared camouflage, a thermal reduction exhaust system, and a silent running electric mode, making it nearly invisible to enemy surveillance. Whether for night operations, special forces insertions, or reconnaissance, the Depot Hack is the ultimate stealth transport. Flexibility is key in modern warfare, and the Depot Hack is designed for rapid adaptability. Its modular cargo system allows quick configuration for troop transport, medical evacuations, or even light artillery deployment. Need to move supplies? The expandable flatbed and reinforced rail system make it one of the most versatile vehicles in any military's arsenal. The Depot Hack revolutionized military transport over a century ago. Now, in 2025, it's doing it again with cutting-edge technology, unmatched durability, and a design built for the future battlefield. From urban warfare to deep recon missions, the 2025 Depot Hack is designed for speed, power, and adaptability. More than just a transport, it's a force multiplier, giving military forces an unmatched advantage in mobility and logistics. The 2025 Depot Hack is here to change the game. But what do you think? Is this the future of military transport, or just the next step in combat vehicle evolution? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into military and off-road vehicles. This is the Auto World, and we'll see you in the next one.